Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's the Silver Fox here. Hey, we're in Utah right now, but it's feeling like Seattle. I'm getting misted on, lots of clouds, windy, that kind of thing. Nice, humid, cold weather. But I'm gonna do a quick little video on more windows here. I initially got a Home Depot, what would you call it, estimate from their window people, and I thought they would be like the bottom dollar kind of estimate people when it comes to windows. And I did a previous video on like a larger pane front window that got hit by a rock from the previous owner with, I'm assuming, a lawnmower. Um, and so it cracked out and everything. It's double pane, but from what I remember, the estimate, I think these were roughly about $750, maybe about $1,000 to do the whole entire frame, and it's starting to rain more. The frame and the glass inserts and everything. So here's this one here, and I'll show you the other one. And before I go all the way over there, so the only thing, it had a broken seal on it, so you couldn't even see out of this window. It was like all fogged up. It was discolored, and it almost looked like it had like fungus growing in it. I don't know what it was, but it was discolored. So just this one is what we needed to replace. Home Depot said they wouldn't do it. They would have to do the whole entire frame and windows. So let's go to the other one. And then here's the other one, the same problem. This one kind of had a cool like fire effect to it, and it was turning kind of like blue purple. And then the same thing for this window here. There's another window there that's turning into the same thing, but it's kind of less progressive, so we haven't changed it yet. But Home Depot will only change out the whole entire frame and window units. So roughly, I think they said $750 or $1,000 for just one set. And then the initially what we wanted was, I believe, 4 frames of windows, and so it came out to, I think, like $2,200. So it must have been maybe about $750. One was a smaller bathroom window, but we called a local glass shop. We did some quotes. This shop did the previous window in one of my other videos, but they were able to just knock out one window for the one over there, and then 2 window units for the other one. It took about 30 days to get the glass in. Sorry, getting over a cold here. But the grand total was about like $420 with tax. So I mean, a $1,400 job or a $420 job. I'll take the $420 job. And they did good work on our other window, so definitely can't complain. I wouldn't suggest Home Depot with doing the frame only replacements. Basically they just pop these windows out and put new glass in, so that's how you're saving the money. This external frame here is all staying there. And that takes time, that takes effort, and it takes money. And why, I guess with Home Depot, I get it, they're mass scale, but like, why waste people's time? But also, like, this is a perfectly fine frame. It seemed kind of wasteful to just replace them. So I'm glad it worked out, and in the end you save money. So there you go. What did I say it was? $2,100 or $420. So you saved, I'm bad at math here. What was that? What, $1,700, right? 750, 21. So that's like $2,250. So like $1,800 ish we saved. So there you go. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Merry Christmas if I don't post till then. Take care.